Riu thutha wa gicanjama kiria kionekana mwena wa Murang'a kuria Rigathi Gachagua akorwo akigirio kwaria at a peace concert held by Kikuyu artists at Ihura Stadium, Rigathi Gachagua ni acoka gwika giko kia mwanya muno na giko kia hota a Kenya bururi mugima. No mbere tukurora gicanjama kiria kiahanika mwena wa Murang'a and why niki giacungiriria a gicanjama kiu giothe gukorwo ikionekana. Rigathi Gachagua has arrived on an unexpected visit during this concert kuria aigi matekwenye gukorwo akiattend, na agikinya amukirirwo na gikeno nene muno na ndugio ni aikari a Murang'a. No oriri ahaica jukwa-ini, sound system na microphone ciahora o rimwe gukirikana ni kuhorio ciahorio. Na riu video imwe nirikite gutrend muno nenda-ini kuria Martin Janet uria niwe kiuma host wa igongona riri onekana gukorwo ihuro ni marakara muno makianaria na andu stage-ini, na akionekana as though he was being pleaded with akorwo agitikira Rigathi Gachagua kana gukorwo akimwitikiria gukorwo akiaria. No Martin wa Janet akionekana gukorwo akiinia kiongo na njira kuregana na ndeto iyo, and he has walked off the stage. And shortly afterwards, Rigathi Gachagua without much choice left. He had to leave the event. Kuria gwacoka gututhuka gicanjama muno ni kwaharagana igongona rikiana ta ria tharara, aikari makiraga kwaririo makienda kumenya niki kwathii uguo, niki Rigathi atanaheo kanya ga kumari. Na riu ni kwirikanite ati politics was not part of the event. Gutigwitikagirio ateti kana uteti igongona-ini riri, na nikio kwahanika uguo. No ona thengia wa uguo, Rigathi Gachagua ni acoka kuonekana mwena ungi wa Murang'a County where he has paid a surprise visit to legendary Kikuyu artist DK Wamaria mucii gwake, kuria acoka gukenererwo muno ni aikari a mwena ucio. Ni meyumiria mucii kwa DK Wamaria where they've gotten a chance to engage with former DP Rigathi Gachagua. Kuu ni akorwo akiariria aikari